Hello students, welcome to our guide on maximizing productivity with the latest and greatest accessories for your iPad Air. Whether you're deep in study sessions, collaborating on projects, or simply looking to streamline your workflow, we've curated a selection of must-have accessories that are sure to boost your efficiency and enhance your overall experience. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your device. Meet the Logitech K380 Pebble, your go-to productivity companion for student life. With its sleek design and Bluetooth connectivity, this keyboard makes studying on the move a breeze. Seamlessly switch between devices with just a tap, whether it's your laptop, tablet, or smartphone, and enjoy comfortable typing wherever you go. The compact size and quiet keys ensure you can focus on your work without distractions, while the programmable multimedia keys provide quick access to essential functions. Say goodbye to bulky keyboards and hello to streamlined productivity with the Logitech K380 Pebble. It's time to boost your efficiency and conquer your academic goals with ease. Introducing the Rolling Square Edge Pro Tablet Kit, your solution to a more efficient workspace. The Edge Pro core is a sleek, metal arm designed to hold your tablet or phone, keeping them at the ideal height and angle for enhanced productivity. Its magnetic holder securely grips your devices, freeing up valuable desk space while ensuring easy access to your phone right beside your iPad screen. Enjoy universal compatibility with this kit, as it works seamlessly with any device type. Whether you have an Android phone or a non-MagSafe device, the included magnetic metal ring ensures a snug fit. Slim and portable, the Edge Pro core is just 2.5 millimeters thick, about as slim as 2 credit cards, making it perfect for studying on the go or leisure. Enhance your study space and stay organized on the go with the Rolling Square Edge Pro Tablet Kit. Elevate your study sessions with the UGREEN tablet stand holder, a must-have accessory for students seeking enhanced productivity. Compatible with a range of devices from tablets to e-readers, its adjustable design ensures a perfect fit for any task. Crafted with portability in mind, this stand folds into a compact size, making it effortless to carry in your bag or pocket for studying anywhere, anytime. With customizable viewing angles from 15 degrees to 100 degrees, find the perfect position for watching lectures, reading textbooks, or engaging in video calls. Made from premium ABS material, it provides durability and stability, while silicone pads prevent slipping and protect your devices from scratches. Streamline your study setup and maximize efficiency with the UGREEN tablet stand holder. Next on our list, we have the Stylus Pen, a game changer for students looking to enhance their productivity on iPads. Compatible with a wide range of Apple iPad models released between 2018 and 2024, this Stylus Pen offers precise and smooth performance. Equipped with palm rejection technology, it allows you to rest your hand comfortably on the screen while writing or drawing, just like on paper. The magnetic design ensures easy attachment to the iPad, preventing it from rolling or getting lost. With tilt function and high precision, you can execute finer instructions with ease. Plus, it's easy to use. Simply touch the top to turn it on, and it automatically enters sleep mode after 5 minutes of inactivity to save power. Say goodbye to lagging, offset, or breaking lines, and hello to seamless productivity with Stylus Pen, an essential tool for every student's daily work or study routine. Introducing the TOZO T10 wireless earbuds, a must-have for students seeking comfort, quality sound, and convenience. With an ergonomic design and lightweight build, these earbuds ensure a comfortable fit for all ears, perfect for long study sessions. Enjoy unparalleled sound quality with upgraded speakers. With 55 hours of total playtime, including 15 hours on a single charge and support for wireless charging, these earbuds are ready for any adventure. Plus, they're IPX8 waterproof, making them ideal for outdoor activities. With Bluetooth 5.3 technology, enjoy a stable connection and control music and calls effortlessly. Customize your listening experience with the TOZO app and enjoy music on the go with the compact case and included lanyard. As we conclude our journey through the world of iPad Air accessories, we hope you've discovered new tools to revolutionize your study routine. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference in your academic journey. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy studying!